Hey there, jewelry lovers. Welcome to a world where every gem tells a story and every sparkle holds a memory. Hey everybody, GemmyJimmy here. I'm thrilled to join you on this glittering journey. Ready to make your jewels sparkle like they did on day one. Whether it's a diamond ring or a string of pearls, proper care can keep them dazzling for years. It's not just about cleaning, it's about preserving the essence of those precious moments. Let's dive into the dazzling world of jewelry care. We'll explore the best techniques and tips to ensure your treasures remain as stunning as the day you got them. We'll uncover the secrets to cleaning different gems and learn how to avoid those heartbreaking scratches and dullness. Each gemstone has its own unique needs, and we'll guide you through the process step by step. From diamonds to turquoise, we've got you covered. Whether it's the brilliance of a diamond or the vibrant hues of turquoise, we show you how to maintain their beauty. So, grab your magnifying glass and let's become jewelry care detectives. Together, we'll learn to spot the tiniest details and ensure every piece of jewelry shines its brightest. Stay tuned for expert tips and tricks that will make you a pro in no time. Diamonds, a girl's best friend. Have you ever noticed how your precious diamond ring can sometimes lose its sparkle? It's not just about the diamond itself, but how you care for it. Diamonds, they're tough, but even these sparkly superstars need a little TLC. Despite their reputation for being the hardest natural substance on earth, they can still get dirty and lose their brilliance. The key is to keep them away from anything greasy or oily. Everyday activities like cooking or applying makeup can expose your diamonds to substances that can dull their shine. Lotions, creams, and even your skin's natural oils can dull diamonds' shine. Yikes! Know the sparkle we're going for. When you apply lotion or cream, make sure to remove your rings to keep them looking their best. To clean your diamonds, use a neutral cleaning solution dishwashing liquid mixed with warm water and prepare an old toothbrush. Then block the drainage hole of the sink to prevent the diamonds from falling off and flowing into the sewer. Soak them for a bit, then gently scrub with a soft bristled toothbrush. This helps to get into all the tiny crevices where dirt can hide. Rinse and air dry, or use a lint-free cloth. This ensures that no residue is left behind, keeping your diamonds sparkling like new. Regular cleaning can make a huge difference in maintaining their brilliance. Remember, a little care goes a long way. With the right maintenance, your diamonds will continue to be a girl's best friend, shining brightly for years to come. Emeralds, lush and green, handle with care. These precious gemstones have been cherished for centuries, symbolizing rebirth and love. Their vibrant green color is unmatched, making them a favorite among jewelers and collectors alike. Emeralds with their vibrant green hues are simply captivating. Their color can range from a light, almost translucent green to a deep, rich forest green. This variety in shades makes each emerald unique and special, but be careful, they are a bit more delicate than diamonds. Unlike diamonds, which are known for their hardness, emeralds have natural inclusions and fractures that make them more susceptible to damage. Emeralds should never be cleaned in an ultrasonic cleaner. Instead, wash them gently in mild soapy water. Avoid soaking emeralds in any cleaning solutions or solvents, as these can damage the stone. The best way to clean emeralds? Warm soapy water is your friend. Mix a mild soap with lukewarm water to create a gentle cleaning solution that won't harm the stone. Use a soft brush to gently remove any dirt. Then rinse and pat dry with a soft cloth. Make sure to clean all the nooks and crannies, but be gentle to avoid scratching the surface. Emeralds should avoid heat because it can cause cracks in the gemstones, fade color-treated stones, and make any fillings evaporate. Instead, stick to the gentle methods we've discussed to keep your emeralds looking their best for years to come. Jadeite, ancient beauty, simple upkeep. Jadeite, with its rich history and smooth texture, is truly a gem to behold. The good news is it's relatively easy to care for. Avoid harsh chemicals and prolonged exposure to direct sunlight, as these can fade the color of your jadeite treasures. With a little love and care, your jadeite pieces will retain their beauty for generations to come. Next, let's talk about emeralds and jadeite. Both have a hardness of 7 on the Mohs scale, but differ significantly in toughness. Jadeite is known for its interlocking fibrous and granular structure, which gives it superior toughness. Similarly, jadeite should not be cleaned with ultrasonic machines. The ultrasonic waves can disrupt the stone structure, causing damage, especially if the jadeite contains internal fractures. Even diamonds, which can withstand ultrasonic cleaning, should not be cleaned this way. Frequently, if they have delicate settings, such as micro pave, as the vibrations can loosen the smaller stones over time. Ultrasonic cleaners are generally safe for diamonds, platinum, and gold jewelry. However, you must avoid using them for organic gemstones like pearls and coral, as well as jadeite and emeralds. These stones have lower hardness or toughness, and ultrasonic waves can cause significant damage to their structure. This is especially true for jadeite stones with internal cracks. I bet you didn't know coral jewelry needs special care to keep it sparkle. Organic gems like coral are like the divas of the jewelry world. They need special care. To clean coral, give it a spa day with lukewarm fresh water and a soft cloth to dry it. No bubble baths, please. Because coral is relatively soft, avoid wearing it during activities that could scratch its surface. No rock climbing with your coral necklace. Also, keep coral away from perfumes, hairsprays, and cosmetics, as well as solvents like nail polish remover. Coral doesn't like to party with those chemicals. Never soak coral in jewelry cleaner as it can cause irreversible damage. Coral and jewelry cleaner are not best friends. Sweat can be damaging to organic gemstones like pearls and coral. They don't appreciate your workout sessions. For instance, wearing coral bracelets in the summer when sweating heavily can cause a white calcium layer to form, dulling its appearance. Coral prefers to stay cool and collected. Unlike pearls, coral can be repolished, but this involves sending it to a professional. Think of it as a trip to the jewelry spa. Pearls, on the other hand, cannot be repolished because their nacre is thin and would wear away with polishing. Pearls are delicate divas. Therefore, the best practice is to avoid sweat exposure. Keep your coral and pearls out of your gym bag. Pearls are like the divas of the jewelry world. They are delicate, prone to scratches, and demand the utmost care. When wearing pearls, avoid any activities that might cause abrasion. Think of them as the last accessory you put on and the first you take off. Pearls are highly susceptible to damage from acidic substances, including even mild acids from your skin. So, no cleaning agents, soaps, or cosmetics near them. And hairsprays, a big no-no. Heat can cause pearls to crack and lose their luster due to dehydration. Regular gentle cleaning and proper storage are essential. Use water and a cotton cloth for cleaning and always dry them with a soft cloth. For strung pearls, lay them flat to dry to prevent stretching the string. Remember, treat your pearls like the divas they are. and they'll keep sparkling for you. Section 7. Amber are extremely sensitive to high temperatures. Avoid exposing them to direct sunlight for extended periods, or placing them in environments with extreme temperature changes. Take off amber jewelry when bathing, washing dishes, or doing housework, as chemicals can easily corrode amber. Its softness makes it prone to scratches. To clean amber, gently wipe it with a clean, soft cloth. This not only cleans but also helps maintain its clarity. Avoid storing amber with harder gemstones like diamonds to prevent scratches. Additionally, never brush amber with a toothbrush, as the friction can roughen its surface and diminish its gloss. Remember, amber is like a vampire. No sunlight, no garlic, and definitely no toothbrushes. Section 8. Turquoise and general jewelry care. Finally, let's discuss turquoise. This stone is quite porous and can be stained by substances like coffee, wine, and even sweat. Always handle turquoise with clean hands or even gloves to prevent oils and sweat from causing discoloration. Some enthusiasts use clean gloves when handling turquoise to avoid these issues altogether. And remember folks, turquoise is like that one friend who can't handle their drinks. Keep it away from the coffee and wine. Golden rules to live by. No matter what type of jewelry you have, some golden rules apply across the board. Always store your jewelry in a cool, dry place, preferably in a jewelry box with separate compartments. Avoid wearing your jewelry while swimming, showering, or exercising. Chemicals, chlorine, and even sweat can damage your precious pieces. And remember, regular cleaning is key to keeping your jewelry sparkling. Section 9. Sparkle on. My friends, taking care of your jewelry doesn't have to be a chore. With a few simple tips and tricks, you can keep your treasures sparkling for years to come. Remember, a little tender, loving care goes a long way. Treat your jewelry with love, and it will reward you with a lifetime of shine. Now go forth and sparkle. You've learned the secrets to keeping your jewelry in top shape. From cleaning to storage, every step matters. Use the right products and techniques to ensure longevity. Enjoy the sparkle and shine of your well-cared-for pieces. And remember, a little effort goes a long way in preserving your treasures. Keep these tips in mind, and your jewelry will always look its best. Now, go forth and let your jewelry shine bright. What are your favorite jewelry care tips? Share your secrets in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe to GemmyJimmy, and turn on the bell for more fun and informative videos. Let's sparkle together. See you next time.